Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a breathtaking sunset photo edit with Picsart. So you can start by opening a blank canvas like this on Picsart. Then click on stickers and then find the sunset stickers. Here I'm going to use this one. Don't forget to adjust the size to cover all of the canvas. Okay, I'm going to go like this, and after that here you can adjust the size and fit it to how you like it. Then click on a check icon and add the stickers again. Click on stickers, and now find grill as the keyword and add this stickers right here. Sorry, adjust the size of the stickers and fit the position. Oops. To how you like it. Okay, I'm going to go with like this, and after that here you can find a fax, and now go to the colors category, select the black and white and set the amount to 0. Click on a check icon, adjust the opacity to 100, and now you can go to add a photo. So click on a check icon again, find the add photo options, and then just add your photo. So for example, here I'm going to add this photo. Click on add. Here you can use the remove background, and then just click on remove background. Just wait. Okay, so now the background is removed. Now you can just go to effects, colors, and find the black and white, and again amount 0. Click on a check icon. So now the photo will go like this. You can adjust the position. I'm going to go like this, the position, and this is optional, but you can go to the stickers again and add another stickers. Here I'm going to find trees, for example, black tree. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this one's right here. Adjust the position so that it fits into the photo. I'm going to make it small. And you can also add another stickers, for example, bird stickers in here. I'm going to just find it. Click on the stickers again and find bird. Okay, this one. Don't forget to adjust the position again. And that's it. So this is the sunset videos result. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.